this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check saved sounds on Instagram. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is you want to open up your Instagram, and first you just want to save a song if you don't already have it saved. Have saved it, just open up your camera, go to reel, just record whatever, stop recording, then go to the left on audio and top saved, and here you will see all of your saved music, so original audio or music. Since I don't have anything saying it's not showing, but this is where you will find it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.